Hey guys, this is the 415 assignment. And remember, you guys can pause this at any time if you want to be checking your work with what I'm doing on the screen. Okay, so that's my recommendation is have your homework out and then to come back and go through it as I look at it or I show it to you. Okay, negative exponents, right? Um, 1 over b to the fourth is the same thing as b to the negative fourth. Okay, we learned that when we were subtracting division, right? Or subtracting quotients. Um, so this one would be the same as 8 over k. Okay, so the first two weren't really doing any multiplying or dividing, just changing and simplifying the solution to where we don't have any negative exponents. We don't want to have any negative exponents in our answer. So this one here does not have any common bases. That's really what it is. Okay. And so we have an m and we have an n. This one should be 6 times 4 is 24. M squared, what do you do with the negative exponent? Put it in the denominator. So 24 m squared over n. Okay. So here is same type of problem, except we have same bases. Okay, what do we do with same bases when we're multiplying? We add them. This is like x to the first power plus a negative 4. Okay, so I get 28 x to the negative third, 1 plus a negative 4, which is the same as no negative exponents, 28 over x to the third power. Okay, let's look at number 5. That may have been a little weird because I paused the video, sorry. So we're on number 5. Okay. So, let's go back up number 3. I screwed up on that one. It should have been M and an M. Okay. Not an N. So when we take M to the second power and we multiply it times M to the negative 1, we add the exponents, which should be 2 plus a negative 1 is just 1. So your answer should be just 24M. My apologies. Some of you are probably freaking out on that a little bit. Mr. Griffith. Okay. So on number 5, 7 times 4, we know how to do that. When we are taking n to the negative 2 and multiplying by n to the negative 2, we add the exponents. Okay. So that gives me 28 n to the negative 4, which is the same as 28 over n to the fourth power. Okay. Can't leave a negative exponent. Number 6 is 3 divided by 7. We can't simplify that anymore, but I can multiply that by the difference of the numerator and denominator exponents, 2 minus a negative 4. Well, we know subtracting a negative, same as adding the opposite, so it should be 2 plus positive 4, which gives me 3/7 r to the 6, which I can leave it that way, but I do like simplifying it to this, r to the 6 over 7. Okay, this r to the 6 is really like r to the 6 over 1. Remember, you're multiplying fractions, so you just multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. 7 times 1 is 7. 3 times r to the 6 is 3r to the 6. Okay, let's move on down to number 7. It becomes 2 times 5. A to the second, we're multiplying, so we add exponents, 2 plus 1. B to the negative 3 plus 1. So that's 10, A to the third, B to the negative 2. Negative 3 plus 1, which is 10, A to the third, B to the second. No negative exponents. We change the numerator to the denominator. And vice versa, if it's a negative exponent in the denominator, we would move it to the top. But this one, it was in the numerator. Okay? So again, product, x to the 1 plus a negative 3, y to the 2 plus a negative 2. That gives me x to the negative 2, y to the 0. Y to the 0 is what? 1. That's really not there anymore. Okay? It's 1 because x to the negative 2 times 1 is just x to the negative 2. Now, that would give me x to the negative 2, which is the same thing as we don't leave any negative exponents, 1 over x squared. Okay? I like this next problem because really we didn't have to do anything, but we just needed to change the negative exponents. Okay? Now, if I'm taking 4ab to the negative 2 and dividing it by negative 3 times c to the negative 2, my whole answer is going to be negative. Okay? I'm not going to simplify 4 turds. Aha, you've missed that, haven't you? Okay? Now, b to the negative 2 gets moved to the bottom. C to the negative 2 gets moved to the top. And there's the answer for that. Okay? If you have any questions, make sure you message me on Hangouts, and I can take any other questions there in front of everybody, and maybe we can get a video going on that. Okay? See you guys in a bit.